Hello, and welcome to today's session on Atmospheric Pressure Chemical Ionization, APCI, one of the most important ionization methods in Triple Quadrupole LC-MS. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts of APCI and perform proper maintenance and replacement in Shimadzu Triple Quadrupole LC-MS 8060NX. What is APCI? Atmospheric Pressure Chemical Ionization, or APCI, is a soft ionization method used in mass spectrometry which utilizes gas phase ion molecule reactions at atmospheric pressure, commonly coupled with high-performance liquid chromatography. It is usually employed in tandem mass spectrometry, LCMS/MS, and is effective in analyzing nonpolar and semipolar compounds that are not easily ionized by other methods such as electrospray ionization. The application of APCI in LCMS/MS has gained significant interest in trace analysis detection such as steroids, pesticides, and also in pharmacology for drug. The fundamental principle of APCI involves the conversion of analyte molecules into gas phase ions through chemical ionization at atmospheric pressure. First, the process begins with the introduction of the sample into a nebulizer, where it is transformed into a fine mist. Second, this mist is then directed into a heated vaporizer, promoting the conversion of the sample into vapor. Lastly, the subsequent step involves ionization, facilitated by a corona discharge needle. This generates ions that can be efficiently analyzed by the mass spectrometer. Proper maintenance is crucial to ensure optimal performance of a TQ LCMS system. Regular cleaning, calibration, and periodic replacement of consumables are essential to maintain the accuracy and reliability of results. In particular, the replacement of APCI pipe assembly, needle unit, and corona needle. Let's take a look on the replacement and cleaning maintenance process of APCI interface in a Shimadzu LCMS 8060NX system. First, open the unit and disconnect the PEEK tubing. Then slide the knob to remove the whole unit. Ensure the temperature have cooled down before uninstalling the unit. Next, remove the needle unit from the instrument. Then, remove the corona needle with a screwdriver. Next, immerse the corona needle in LCMS grade methanol and clean it by ultrasonic cleaning. To remove the APCI cover, first unscrew the two screws which secure the APCI cover. Using a screwdriver, loosen the screws at the three indicated locations as shown. Afterward, loosen the screw on the pipe base with a hexagon wrench to remove the top plate. Then, remove the APCI adapter nut from the APCI pipe assembly by using two spanners, one holding the nut at the heater side and the other to unscrew the adapter. Afterward, remove the APCI pipe assembly gently to prevent bent on the pipe section. Assemble the new APCI pipe by first mounting the APCI adapter onto it. Then, insert it into the APCI probe and securely fastened using two spanners. It is important to ensure that the pipe remains vertical when inserting the tip of the APCI pipe. Secure the top plate and APCI cover firmly with the respective screws. Afterwards, dry and mount the cleaned corona needle to the support arm in the correct side as shown and secure with the aid of a screwdriver. Check that the tip of the corona needle is not bent by using the needle alignment tool. Ensure the needle is contained within the range of the slit and repair the needle if it is bent. Finally, mount the needle unit back onto the instrument. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.